Here we go. Mommy, somebody's here.
Evening.
Hi, good evening, Mrs. Campbell. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm fabulous.
Can tell.
What brings you across here today?
Well, just as a neighbor living next door, sometimes you notice a lot of things. So just come to say hello and, greet you.
Okay, I'll just sit down.
You want to sit down? Okay, you guys can go upstairs and sit. I'm coming up there, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let me guide you. Come. So, Kelly, you guys go sit in the living room. I'm coming, okay?
Okay.
You can continue watching the TV. I'm coming.
Okay.
It's my daughter. She can be a bit fussy sometimes,
That's fine. So, plan to tell him.
What are you talking about, Mrs. Campbell?
Suddenly I have amnesia, Shana. Suddenly. Plan to tell him.
Tell who? Tell who
You
what?
well I know who me I talk about, You know. You well I know. As I said, from my bedroom window over there, I have a very clear view upstairs.
Mrs. Campbell, you know that you're a very nosy neighbor.
Some would say observant.
Why are you like this?
Like what?
You hear the saying that says he that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life? Why do you have to be like this? Is that why you come by? Mrs. Campbell, why do you want to cause a havoc in my life? Tell me.
Me cause havoc in your life. You do all your actions all on your own, Mrs.
What do you mean?
You feel say you would have fool round for him, brother, and nobody else will notice but you.
Oh, so all you know is him brother, and me never know that.
You know worry yourself. People have eye everywhere. Stay there.
So, Mrs. Campbell, what you want to do? You want to go and tell him?
Me? Tell him.
You think he's going to believe you over me, his lovely wife?
First of all, I have no intentions of telling anybody anything.
Oh.
But the only way you ensure say me not tell anybody anything.
So, Mrs. Campbell, why you gonna just see and don't say nothing? Why you have to come to me with this? Huh? What you want to do? Blackmail me?
If you want to worry about that, all you do is just cooperate.
What you
Just
mean?
cooperate. What me mean?
Campbell,
Remember
that
we find out, man.
Remember that we are both females,
Yes, but silence no come cheap.
And everybody make mistakes.
Mistakes.
Weird
mistakes, them continuous though.
You can't say that, Mrs. Campbell.
You think a 1 or 2 time you notice? So you feel like you and your little Romeo just like a roam the streets and nobody don't notice and nobody don't say nothing. You think that's how things work?
Mrs. Campbell, remember that we are both females,
No, my dear.
Tell Omar that.
I know so that work. I don't remember that at all, but you know what I remember is seeing the young man jump from your 2nd floor up there. That's what I remember. So here what you can do for me is to ensure say the silence remain. And it might come at a very hefty price.
What you mean?
What me mean?
How much you talking about?
We have. We see what we can work with.
Mrs. Campbell.
You continue carry Mrs. Campbell, because the only thing me remember is the information when me need for share. So unless you want Omar to know, you need to start talk money.
You don't have to be like this, Mrs. Campbell.
I wonder
Remember that one time you were younger? Remember when you were younger and you used to hide from class? Me never used to tell your mommy.
Shana, this is different time and different age. You feel to say you're a policeman. Now go find out at some point.
All right. Me could get to the point, Mrs. Campbell, because me can't afford for Omar to know. Remember say him a police. Remember say we have a child together. We've been married for quite some time. Me can't afford this. And even though, you know, people having their little hiccups and stuff, I don't want him to know of us. Listen, you know, Omar, we can't afford for a relationship break off just like that. Years of marriage and all, we can't afford for you to go down the drain. Why you want to stress me? Remember that I am... No matter.
I saw you did that go on.
What you mean?
So,
For what, Mrs. Campbell? No,
Hear what?
taking this for a joke?
Hear what? You see that little piece of iPhone here? I have is what this? The 11? We need a 15. 15 Pro Max. Price just gone up.
All right. All right, Mrs. Campbell. Me have one iPhone 15 Pro Max. I will give it to you. I will give it, man. It is, if it's new, because me have it less than 3 months.
Right.
So me will give it to you, not a scratch it in a case and everything. You can change the case. Me will give it to you. I will wipe it and I will give it to you.
That is a good start.
Me will tell Omar I said last.
That is a good start. You see, you did always know me like you, you know. You always know me like you.
Mrs. Campbell, listen, please. You see, after me give her the phone, that's it. Nothing else. You promise?
You see, that is a comfort to a fool, you know. But we'll start there. You have me silence for now. For now.
So you plan to bail on me?
You never say all of that, but me don't know what else you plan for up to. But, you know, from another female to the next. Can't keep your secret for now, just sort out the phone.
All right, Mrs. Campbell, I will bring it to you later.
That's what I want to hear.
All right, you'll be good now.
Hey, Peanut, don't you look at stuff them now?
All right, Mrs. Campbell.
And take time with yourself now. You know it's a sensitive time for you. All right? Have a good evening.
All right, Mrs. Campbell. Girls, you came back? All right. Okay. Really, mommy not feeling well, okay? Aria, auntie not feeling well. All right, you guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The $6,000. The $6,000. Now, one underpants to 500. That's the 3 underpants now. The $1,200. 3 underpants to $1,200. Yeah, man, you get $2,000 $1,500.
The boss sabe, make your first okay. See me, boss a pass right a saying. Why holy pastaks and what that thing. You see me? And all is about someone can buy a bike and see.
I'm father, ready for your work, man.
Yo, don't bind it on me, dog.
Oh, sorry.
You gotta keep your finger off while trigger can go off it.
Oh, really? So you say ready?
Yeah, man.
Up on here. Okay.
So, yeah, so, I shot the meeting if you care to cover your face, brother.
So, yeah, man, me don't have to put over my face. Hold on. See, I'm going to put you over my face.
Yeah, man.
Alright, hold on. So, I can't care when I do this for me. I'm telling you,
No, we need no more in that stuff.
Can I eat that shot I tell me to put on, brother?
I say badness come now, man. Yeah, man.
Come on, man, if you have a yes, I'm not upgrade it. Why I try to not upgrade it?
No, really, brother. But you know I think we have a thing half with us. You see me? Find something.
Yeah, you don't have to.
The boss boy so forward, you know.
Where you say we are? Where you say we are? Ready? So hold on. Where you say me for them to kill him?
No, so you can hide off your son and leave the boy.
I'm telling my father, man. No, I'm free, man. You open my house now, my son.
No, what?
The boy are coming on my basket. I'm what? Come on, time boss. Come on, time boss. Yeah, turn off. Come on, time boss.
Take out that seat then.
Turn up over here, man. I want you, man. Badness set up, man.
Yo, shoot, you want
Take your bus and go on.
Yo,
You know, kill me, yo. Take your bus and go on, man. Just hold the bus and go on, yo.
Shoot him.
Everything good, man. Just take your bus and go on, yo.
Yeah.
Nobody shoot me, yo. Save my life, man. Can't go live for me pitting them, yo. Sick. Take your bus and go on, man.
Hey.
No, yo, big man. Nobody that.
Only for 60 minutes.
Nobody that, yo.
Shoot him.
Nobody that, yo.
Huh?
Me tell you, just take your bus and go on. Please. I beg you, too. Take your bus and go on. I ask you, please. Me want knee long.
Yo.
I beg you, do. I beg you,
Yo,
do.
get up off our ground.
That makes sense, yo.
Get up
I beg you, please, take your bus and go on that. Nobody shoot me, yo.
Get up off our ground.
No, me not make sense, yo. Better take your bus and go on.
Yo.
Take your bus and go on, yo. Do. To save, to spare my life, man.
In there.
What the boy did. No.
Listen.
Oh, big boy.
Yo, in there.
Hello?
Omar,
Hey, honey.
don't honey me. From your reach down, you not even call me. What happened?
Babe, I threw me upon a little undercover mission, man. I never get paid. I never have a phone for me because the super tell me say we can't carry phone for when we go on the mission car. So my boy them are informer and I go.
Really? So you not even call, you know, ask me about it, pick them, you know, ask me nothing.
Babes,
You don't know, so me worried.
I know you're worried, babe. I know you're worried. But what sweet corner going with?
The day going easy.
She alright?
Yeah, man.
And tough crackers alright too?
Everybody good. But I just, you are my problem, you not calling.
I'm sorry, baby. Actually, I'm busy, man. And you know how the police business go.
Okay, so when you come back?
I see if I can get some time off. I ask the super and see when I can get some time off.
Okay.
Don't worry yourself, man. I know you miss me, you know. I miss you too, you know, babes.
Okay, well, if you miss me, you don't call me, but you'll give you the chance, yeah. But not do it again.
Alright, baby. You eat already?
Yeah.
Alright, no worry yourself. As soon as I get some time, man, I'll call you. Tell sweet corner and tough crackers say I love them, you hear?
I will.
Alright. Love you.
I love you too. All right. All right, later. Sweet corn! Tough crackers! I wanna come from. Yeah. Oh, no, daddy said, tell her hi. You know, the on the phone, he come off when he call next time when we talk to him here. Okay. All right.
Yes, of course.
One day, nothing else, you know. No more money, you know. Search up the good check.
Next time I can, hey, look, boy, go on, left one yourself.
Watch it.
Go on here, yeah.
I'm telling you, man. If you're trying to come here, move from us, man.
Yo, yes.
Listen, boss.
Well, a couple more sitting in there. But I said, oh, next time I can move, shaky pollution in here, get me killing and that. You see me? Yeah, if it does fire, but me understand. I say, go, you see me? Me can't say nothing, you see me, your first time, you see? So, there you go. But I say nothing, we have more work to go up on, you see me? Abu one dozen of them are sitting here and walk come down there.
No, you can't go on the office. Can't go on the office.
Yeah, man. You know about them things are good to brother. You know, I get and you go kill it. Make me hurt, so see.
I must have better have them things, man. I always make my whole little and them things. You see it? All fire, you see it? I'm on our parents. I'm on our parents, man. I can get some rounds for them, said you.
Alright, well, nothing wrong with that. A good soap that. Yeah, see, man, we are enough boy if you dash it, you know, man. Yeah, see.
So, search up the bus and see if nothing else, you know.
Yeah, man.
I'm not even sure. I know what I'm talking about.
Mommy, guess what?
What?
Ricardo and Skip get new bus.
How would I get bus from?
No. You see them with a new bus.
Alright, go on in there. I was on the phone at all. No, I came to contact Mr. Ricardo and Skip get new bus. I wonder where them get it from. Me know say Skip a thief, you know, and the Ricardo, him a follow him hard, you know. Massa.
Kenny! Come here. You know who he's supposed to be up there? You sure? There's nobody coming along and then I'll be here. You sure? Go back there, yeah, they're not going to Mother said this is fun to condition believe already. This is similar to the evolution model today, but think. The model is the progress. One model has an accent.
I'm thank you, babe. How are you? Where's Kenny? Babe.
Sean. What is it about you?
That's what I don't want to say.
Who frames about them?
It's up with the cold fire.
Sean, Axel, tell me, say, Tanisha Sibali.
It's Tanisha Sibali.
Which Tanisha Sibali? I have fool here. You say, one man Sibali, say.
Babe, actually it's Tanisha Sibali. There's something about calling Shirley.
Tanisha Sibali. Alright.
Even if it looked like a man sleeper, I don't know. I wanted somebody, whether it's her man sleeper or something. She left it here.
Alright, Shauna. Alright. So I'll pull out the ear or something. Alright.
So, like, what's up with you? Yes, I'm going to pull out my ear. I was going to sleep where I said, get me really cold first before I do anything else. I may not really again or not.
Yeah, something you want to tell me? Because they don't about 1 week, about 3 days now since we done, and you've been act weird. Even your nose look fatter, and it changed.
Babe. Stop. Stop. What's going through your brain?
I don't know, something just seems off. Everything just seems off since we come back.
Do you have something that you want to tell me?
I mean, me not have nothing to hide. Me not have nothing to hide, Shauna. Me not have nothing to hide, but their work is just straight work. And so, unlike say me have nothing to hide. But since me come down here, everything it just seems off.
Nothing is off. Now you're trying to put me in different mode. Why are you trying to do that for Mark? Nothing is off. I've always been myself.
Alright, I'm gonna put it.
What knows? What are you trying to imply?
Alright, Shauna. Anything you say? As I say, everything just seems off, but I'm gonna put it road.
It's over. It was a bit painful, so weird.
Alright. I go pon room. I go a barber. Awesome. Kelly in her room. She asleep. Or she probably in there or something. But I go a barber and come back. Alright?
Yes. How are you doing?
Yeah, we're good, man.
Is there anything that you want to tell me?
Just feel away because last night me I tried to touch you. And you never really want me to touch you. So that to me, you know, make me head feel like say me I go lose it. You see me? Because imagine me not there for so long and come. I can't touch you. They find all sorts of excuse.
I'm not finding any excuse. The first night you came with Otto, right? It's but I can still feel it. But I'm sorry. I'll give it up tonight.
Alright. Yeah, I'm handcuffed promise still enough. So I can't make it work. Alright.
You could say so.
But me I go barber and come back. Yeah? I can't look so. Yeah?
Okay, babe.
As I say, I just feel a way about the slippers, man.
There's no need to feel any type of way. I'm not.
Because woman can be devious, you know, me I tell you, you know.
No, but don't judge me, babe, please.
Alright.
I'm feeling some type of way to know that you are literally here trying to judge me. Are you implying that I'm cheating, or would you think that I have somebody from by here? I would never do such thing. I'm not cheating. I would never do that.
Well,
You're getting me all serious.
if a Tanisha man suppose this, as I say, she got an ambition.
Babe, I didn't say it's Tanisha's man slipper. I said I don't know it could be. It maybe it's her brother slippers. I don't know. She left it here. I really don't care about that slipper. I wasn't even thinking anything, but I mean, it's okay for you to think something funny. It's fine. It's okay. Because if I had come inside here and see how my slipper that doesn't belong to me, maybe I would go off. But
Well, I'm glad I see where I come from. But I'll hurry up and come back. Yeah?
okay.
I'll hurry up and come back.
Okay, man.
Yeah. Love you too.
Mary.
Daddy were asking me something.
Daddy was asking you something?
Daddy were asking for slipper.
Daddy was asking whose slippers? So what did you tell him?
I don't know.
Okay, but those slippers are Tanisha's slippers. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if he asks you again, you tell him it's Tanisha's slipper. Mommy said it's Tanisha's slipper. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you for telling me.
I'm sorry, but the person you have
On telephone. I hate this. I hate this.
I'm sorry, but the person
How that? Huckleberry? How that? Oh, go on, man. You remember your name, Huckleberry, man? From your little boy, that name that can't come off for you, man. How do you? Why?
Jonah.
The Junior,
Bro, you know.
the Kim.
You know there.
Kim, not there.
Hello.
Long time, you know, long time.
Man,
Well,
man, put a hole for me, bro.
man, don't say so St. Thomas Day, you know.
I'll go out belly.
So you,
You know,
well, I'm there, man. Are you alone there? Uncle?
no, man.
Well, I'm going long time, I didn't see you.
Yeah, alright. Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so you have food for your mouth, then, man.
Well, I'm going to call. I'll call him.
Yeah, drink water there, man. Leroy!
Renee.
Leroy, what going, man? Why, Leroy, like you still have me up, man?
Yo. Yeah, big old police in our post. Man look like some like a cheap boy, man. I'm really good,
You don't say, I leave me, fun boy.
man.
Man.
Come on, man.
So you go on in.
But yeah, man. But yo, so some of them say when they're in our post, you have to shave up on them things.
That's why I come down, man, because I don't know. Me dey on a little break. Me do up there somewhere. That's me stress out a little bit.
You? Real.
So, one go barber, man. One go barber in a bit. But I me come down last night and I say, a long time, I don't see you still, so I come give you a link.
So.
Because from Auntie David, they drop out from the time.
Yeah.
I think it's very bad. If we say only time we see each other is when somebody dead.
True, man.
That's normal, we need to do better.
Yeah.
I say when I come there now, I come look for me family them.
But me love, what's that big man thing? Yo, I'm glad to say when I post still on you. Guys, if I go in I post, nobody knows me to be there.
Alright, think that man, can listen to me.
You see all the bar on us over there, it's broken. Nobody knows broken it again, my brother.
Which is right, man, which is right. I'm not afraid for company and the boy and everything there, you know, man. I'm not afraid, you know.
That's cool, man.
Oh,
Some of them give that any of them. One idea.
why they call one a day?
Yeah.
She didn't even know. Yeah, but me out there every day, me clap the one in a man. I say, me just come out of phone, out of camp.
Still peace, I know.
Every day.
I just confirmation with you and still car. One of my know say, yo, bro, you're ready to play.
No, my brother, man.
You can't get a whole lot of fight.
I did, man, make a wallet, man. But I know every time.
But before you back up still, my brother. Do me a big one.
Man, don't worry yourself, man.
Get a one whole lot of fight. Is it?
I'm going to come around, man. I don't want you get involved in a feel or you feel. Because at the end of the day, I don't want you
No, man, but
feel like say you feel good and you get because you see them something I say that. Because you know, man. Sometimes I look at police close here, I mean.
but I know something I do nothing, but still, you see, just want to get a whole lot of fight. And you see, better more
No rest, sir. You can't even bust one out tight, man.
Ah!
Yeah,
Yeah,
at the end of the day, man, if any boy feel, make sure you have a license one runner so
yes.
the boy feel like he can run in.
Yeah, man.
What to do.
But if you say them give me, because I remember saying I really have no big work like them think like that, you know, you see it?
No, man, must be a sergeant, man. I can give a full recommendation, you know, plus me have a suit. We know what to do, man. Don't worry yourself. Isn't it?
See it? Because what I know, I tell Fudgy them what they say. Then can link me, you know. Tomorrow they want a work, you see it? Don't want to tell them a nigga. And them not have nobody to give them. Right. They need a recommendation. You see it? So I tell them, send to that check, man. Link you. And I tell them, say, yo.
That Miss Janet Omar.
Yes. Oh.
What's the man have the same name?
Yeah, man. Mama said, me and them go to school together different, you see it? So me can recommend them. You see it? So, you see it? I good use still.
Don't worry yourself.
Get to work still, you see it?
I know where yourself, you see me? But, nah, too story, you know, cause
Yeah.
I have a little mission left to go on.
That's what I'm buying.
Buy one bike.
I'll show you.
Alright, that's good, man. What's that, man? The foolishness of the bike, you know.
I take the time right, brother. You know, see it.
I'm telling you, me a police and I like funeral, you know. Me even like house.
Man, I see it. I don't know where to progress. We can't stay one place in our life, you know. See it. Yeah, man.
Sure, I say, you this?
250 pay for you.
Yo, watch out, man. At least I start from somewhere.
Yeah, man, I know you're proud of me, man.
At least I start from somewhere, man. Watch out, man. Clean, you know, man.
Nothing but I take out the man fight it, brother, because I don't know. See it.
Yeah, man, clean, man. We like that.
Brother.
Proud of you, man.
Yeah, man. Where's that? Jonah, yo, you clean it down for me when I'm done?
Yes, man.
All right.
Junior get big, you know, man. Junior Lily boy. But no worry, say, man. I go pass you back before I go in.
Yeah. So, mama don't say there.
I got surprise her, man. Show me think I saw something from here. Surprise her, yeah.
All right.
But not tell her something today.
Yeah, man.
I'll surprise her.
All right, brother.
Yeah, look at more here.
Machine nice.
Right now, I don't care this about change one change it.
Man.
Change one change.
No matter how long I want to do more next, you know. Yeah. So, I don't know how to do it. Yeah, man.